हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम वैदिक एज के पीवाईक्यूज़ घटना चक्र की पीवाईक्यूज़ को पढ़ रहे थे। हमने लगभग थोड़ा बहुत पिछली वीडियो में कंप्लीट किया। अब ये नेक्स्ट वीडियो में उससे आगे पढ़ते हैं। हमने यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर लिया था। नेक्स्ट, प्रीस्ट चैंटिंग मंत्रास वर कॉल्ड ब्रह्मा इन अथर्ववेदास. The first reference to Angas and Magadha is found in the Atharvaveda, where they are mentioned along with the Gandhari and Mujavats in the post-Vedic period. This region of Kuru and Panchal was considered as the axis of Aryan culture because here the great achievements happens in science, mathematics, astronomy, religious and philosophy. Ayurveda, that is science of life, appears in first in Atharvaveda. Ayurveda is an Upaveda of Atharvavedas. It is also considered as Upanga of Atharvaveda. Atharvaveda describes the thoughts and superstitions of common peoples. It comprises of various contents such as disease prevention, coordinations, loyalty, marriage, and love poetry. The Gopatha Brahmana is the only Brahmanas associated with the Atharvavedas. It is a genre of the prose text describing the Vedic rituals. The Upanishad literatures is not a religious scriptures but represent a philosophy for all times and for all. The philosophy of Upanishad does not oppose any school of thought, religions, or interpretations of the scripture, but its methods for explaining its concept is unique. The word salvations or moksha is not used in Vedas. It was firstly discussed in Upanishads. Moksha means liberations, the continuous cycle of life and death. Is the aim is not the actual aim of the human soul. According to the Upanishad, the core of self is not the body or the minds, but the Atmas. Kathopanishads is the story of the conversation between the Yama Lord and Lord of Death and Nachiketas, the young 12-year-old boy who left homes in search of the meaning of death and beyond. This form the subject matter of one of the Upanishads called Katha Upanishad and Katho Upanishads. The phrase Satyameva Jayate is the Sanskrit word taken from the Mundaka Upanishads. The meaning of the words truth alone trumps. It was adopted as national motto of India's. It is inscribed the script at the base of the national emblems. It was adopted by the Government of India as 26 January 1950. तो सत्यमेव जयते हमें कहाँ से लिया है? मंडकोपनिषद, और इसका मतलब होता है ट्रूथ अलोन ट्रम्फ। एंड इसको हमने 26 जनवरी 1950 को अडॉप्ट कर लिया। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने अडॉप्ट किया है नेशनल मोटो ऑफ इंडिया। द फ्रेज मीन्स लीड अस डार्कनेस। तो ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमने अडॉप्ट कर लिया था उसको। सत्याकामा जाबला अ बॉय एंड लेटर अ वैदिक सेज who first appear in chapter 4th of the ancient Hindu text Chandogopanishads. The phrase Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay is originally mentioned in Brihadaranyaka Upanishads. The phrase means lead us from darkness to light or lead us from ignorance to truth. Puranas. Puranas are the sacred literature of Hinduism. There are 18 Puranas, namely Matsya Puran, Markandeya Purans, Bhagavad Puran, Bhavishya Puranas, Brahmanand Puran, Brahma Vaivarta Purans, Brahma Purans, Vamana Purans, Varaha Puran, Vishnu Puran, Vayu Puran, Agni Puran, Narada Puran, Padma Puran, Linga Puran, Garuda Puran, Skanda Puran, Kurma Puran. So there are 80 Purans. Srimad Bhagavatam is considered as the crown jewels of all Vedic literature. Srimad Bhagavad Gita was originally written in the Sanskrit language, often referred in a short as Gita's. Mahabharata originally has 8,800 slokas and, and its original names is Jaya Samhitas. Mahabharata today has 100,000 slokas and is believed to be written by sage Ved Vyasas. Puranas have 5 characteristics like Sarga, Pratisarga, Vansa, Manvantara and Vishnu Charitra. Among these, Sarga and Pratisargas are the natural creations and renovations, cosmogony. Vansa means the history of sage and god. Manavantara is meant for the period of different Manush, and Vishnu Charitra means genealogy of king. Panchajana suggests 5 specific tribes whose eponymous ancestors were the founder of the clans, namely Yadu, Turu, Vasha, Dhuruya, Anu, Puru. There is an ancient story mentioned in the Rig Vedas called Dashranjaya was battle of 10 kings long before Ramayana. They lived as descendants of the kings eponymous kings Bharatas. Named Shudas, the greatest achievement of Shudas was his triumphing victory over the confederacies of 10 kings. Many hymns of the Rig Vedas were composed by women, and they were called Brahmavadini. The prominent amongst them Lopamudra, Vishwavara, Shikta, Ghosa, etc. Lopamudra was the wife of Agastya Rishi sage. Family or kul is the smallest unit of Rig Vedic society. So Lopamudra was wife of Agastya Rishi sage. Family or kul was the smallest unit of Rig Vedic society. Rig Vedic society was a patriarchal society. It is known from Varuna Suktas that father can sells his child. The word Yava mentioned in the Rig Vedas is used for food grain barley. The gold necklace is called Nikska. The terms in Rig Vedic period and meanings: Divi, cloth worn below the waist. Vasas, cloth worn above the waist. Taksha, carpenter. Karma, metal worker. Vaknat, moneylender. Haritri, boatman. Nivi, कमर से नीचे पहनने के लिए. वशास, कमर से ऊपर पहनने वाला क्लॉथ. तक्षा, कारपेंटर. कर्मा, मेटल वर्कर. वैकनाथ, मनी लेंडर. हरित्री, बोटमैन. The religions of early Vedic Aryans was mainly related to worships of the natures and performing the yajnas. The most interesting aspects of Rig Vedic religions was its polytheistic character, in which a number of Gods were worshipped. The Rigvedic Aryans worshipped natures with intense feelings and endowed it with animated souls. Vedic gods were mainly classified into three groups: God of sky, Varuna, Mitra, Surya, Vishnu; God of space, Indra, Rudra; God of earth, Agni, Brihaspati, Soma. Indra has been described as the most powerful deity in the Rig Vedic. Indra is called Purandra, destroyer of forts. Very large number of Rig Vedic hymns, as maximum 250 hymns, are devoted to hymns, followed by Agni 200 hymns. Boghaj Koi inscriptions, Asian Minor Turkey, is an important because there is mentions of four Vedic gods, namely Indra, Varuna, Mitra, Nastyas. According to ancient Hindu scripture during the Vedic period, the Hindu tradition recognized four stages or ashrams in the human life, namely Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanprastha, and Sannyas. In the context, Hindu tradition recognizes four stages of ashramas in human life, namely Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanprastha, Sannyas. In the context of the ancient Indian society, Vansa, Gotra, and Kula are the word associated with the family systems. The word Kosha is related to treasuries as Rigvedic term. Gotra means cow shelters or herd of cows. Cow is considered as Aghanya during the Vedic period. Aghanya means not worthy to be killed. This status of the cow how shows that how pious it was considered during the Vedic period. Cattle breeding was the most important economic activities of the Vedic peoples. Prayers were offered to increase number of cattle. It was medium of exchange. Cow is considered as a deity in some suktas of the Rig Vedas. Dharma and Trita is the Vedic period appear as early as Rig Vedas. Usually Dharma signifies cosmic ordinance, often in connection with some sense of natural or divine laws. Rita as such is closely related to universal harmony, in which all things, the worlds, have a proper place and functions. The concept of Rit, that is universal's principle of natural order, is of Vedic origins. The Rit has been the basis of Indian culture, legal theory, politics, and philosophy. God Varuna was supposed to uphold Rit or the natural order. That is why he was also called Ritasyogapa. Most popular and prevalent system of governance during the Vedic era was inherited monarchy, although some examples of elections by the peoples were also found, but the general interest of public was toward monarchy. During the Vedic eras, two institutions, namely Sabha and the Samiti, has been mentioned as controlling powers upon the autocracy of the kings. The Sabha was assemblies of the learned and elite ones, while Samiti was assembly of the common people of the state. The distinction between Sabha and Samiti cannot be made out with precision, but it is clear that Sabha and Samiti are clearly mentioned at least 8 times and 9 times respectively in Rig Vedas. According to the Atharva Vedas, Sabha and Samitis are the two daughters of Prajapatis. Purohit, advisor of king; Serani, head of the army; Gramani, head of the village; Mahisi, wife of king; Suta, head of Chariot's army. Sangrihita, treasurers. Baghdud, tax collector. Akshawap, accountant. Palagal's messenger. Khasata, keeper of king's household. Akshawap, accountant. Palagal's messengers. Sangrihita, treasurers. Suta, head of the chariot. There are total 16 sanskar has been described. The 16 sanskar as follows: Garbhadhana, conception; Punsavana, fetus protection; Simantonayana, satisfying the craving pregnant woman; Jatakarma, child; Jatakarma, childbirth; Namkarna, naming of child; Nishkarma, talking the child outdoors for the first time; Annaprasana, giving solid food; Chuda Karma, hair cutting; Chuda Karma; Karna Veda, ear preachings; Vidyanambha, starting education; Upnayana, sacred threads ceremony; Vedarambhas, studies of Vedas के साथ; Samavartana, returning home after completions of education; Vivaha, marriage; Antyeshti, cremations. Name of the king's territory is different direction: east Samrat, west Swarat, north Virat, south Bhoj, center Raja. Name of the kings having territory in different direction: east में सम्राट, वेस्ट में स्वराट, ईस्ट में सम्राट, वेस्ट में स्वराट, नॉर्थ में विराट, साउथ में भोज, मिडल में सेंटर में राजा. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in the books The Arctic Home in the Vedas, propounded the theory that North Pole's Arctic regions was originally the home of Aryan. Although this theory of Tilak is not acceptable by to the historians. So friends, जो कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट्स थे वैदिक एज के वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए. अब यहाँ से हम क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. The term Aryans denoted ethnic group, nomadic group, speech groups, superior race. तो ऑप्शन डी is a superior race. Aryan is terms meaning nobles, which was used as self-designations by Indo-Iranian peoples. In classic Sanskrit, the word Aryan means a noble man. The word was used by peoples of Vedic period in the Indias as an ethnic labels for themselves as well as to refer a noble class. Scholars point out that even in ancient times, the ideas of being an Aryan was religious, culture and linguistic, not racial. So Aryan एक superior race थी. आर्यन का मतलब होता है अनोबल मैन. क्वेश्चन 2, मीनिंग ऑफ टर्म्स आर्य इन द क्लासिकल संस्कृत. ऑप्शन डी होगा अनोबल मैन्स. एक्सप्लेनेशन अभी हमने पढ़ा. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ओल्डेस्ट वेदास. तो ऋग्वेदास ओल्डेस्ट वेदास है. इन इंडियंस लिटरेचर वेदास आर द मोस्ट एंशियंट स्क्रिप्चर विच आर फोर in numbers. Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas, Sam Vedas, Atharva Vedas. Rig Vedas is the most important and oldest among all these. Trayai is names. Trayai names है three Vedas. Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas and Sam Vedas are called Veda Trai or simply Trai. Rig Vedas, Sam Vedas, Yajur Vedas, इसको थ्री वेदास कहते हैं या त्राई कहते हैं. In which Vedic text the term Varna is found for the first times. So the Varnas found for the first time in Rig Vedas. The Varnas has been known from Rig Vedas since the hymns in the Rig Vedas portrays the Brahmin priests, the Kshatriya nobles, the Vaishya commoners and the Sudra servants issued the fourth and the creations from the mouth, arms, thigh, feet of the primeval persons. Although the literal meaning of the words Varnas is color or class in Sanskrit, the Purush Suktas related to Varna systems originally found in Purush Suktas Rig Vedas होगा. The feet criminal persons Purush, although the meaning words Varna is called class. Show match the following Atharvedas, Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas, Sam Vedas. तो ऋग वेदास होगा गॉड ग्रेश, अथर्ववेदा होगा मेडिसिन्स, शाम वेदा होगा म्यूजिक, यजुर्वेदा होगा सैक्रिफाइसल प्रोसेस. तो अथर्ववेदा मेडिसिन्स, ऋग्वेदा गॉड ग्रेश, यजुर्वेदा सैक्रिफाइस प्रोसेस, शाम वेदा म्यूजिक. मैच लिस्ट वन एंड करेक्ट सेम वैसा ही है. ऋग्वेदास हाइम्स एंड प्रेयर्स होगा. यजुर्वेदास हाइम्स एंड रिचुअल्स हो गया. साम वेदास म्यूजिक हाइम्स हो गया. अथर्ववेदास charms and spells. Rig Vedas consist 1028 hymns and 10,552 versas or mantras or shlokas. Yajur Vedas contain the descriptions of stories and recitals. The Sham Vedas consist of many hymns which are taken from Rig Vedas and are indeed lyrical and melodious. The Atharvavedas contains lot of knowledge of physicals and world and spirituals. So friend, इसका ऑप्शन A है. ऋग वेदास hymns and prayers, and B है यजुर वेदास hymns and rituals. C Sam Vedas musical hymns. D Atharvavedas charms and spells. Which one of the following four Vedas contains accounts of magical charms and spells? Magical charms and spells Atharvavedas. The earliest evidence descriptions of charms and spells can be found in Atharvavedas. In Rig Vedas there are 10,028 hymns and 10,552 verses mantras. So here the option are not given, so that answer will not given there. So here the explanations there are. Rig Vedas consist 128 hymns and almost 10,552 verses or mantras. The Rig Vedas is collection of hymns, collection of words, collection of stories, collection of words, to collection of hymns. The Rig Vedas is an ancient collection of Vedic Sanskrit hymns. It consists of thousands of such of several seers. Each hymns averaging area's 10th verses in the it is one of four chronicles sacred texts Shruti of Hinduism known as Vedas. As the following: Rig Vedas, Samveda, Atharva Vedas, and Yajur Vedas. So Rig Vedas, Aitareya, Sham Vedas, Panchvisha, Atharva Vedas, Gopatha, Atharva Vedas, Gopatha, Yajur Vedas, Satpatha. तो अथर्ववेदा गोपथा, यजुर्वेदा सतपथा, अथर्ववेदा गोपथा, अथर्ववेदा गोपथा, अथर्ववेदा गोपथा और यजुर्वेदा सतपथा. And Rigvedas Aitareya, और सामवेदा पंचविश. Questions 13. Rigveda Aitareya, Samveda Panchvisha, Atharvaveda Gopatha, Yajurveda Sampatha. Which one of the following Brahmana texts belong to Rigveda? Atharvavedas, Gopanatha Brahmanas, and Satpatha Brahmanas, Taittiriya Brahmanas. Which one of the formless Brahmanas text belongs to the Rigvedas? So, option A, Aitareya Brahmanas. Gopatha Brahmanas is associated with Atharvaveda. Gopatha Brahmana is the only Brahmanas, a genre of the prose text describing the Vedic rituals considered with which one of the following Brahmanas texts belongs to the Rigvedas? Aitareya Brahmanas, Gopatha Brahmanas, Satpatha Brahmanas, and Taittiriya Brahmanas. So option Aitareya Brahmanas. Gopatha Brahmana is associated with Atharvaveda. Gopatha Brahmana is associated with Atharvaveda. Gopatha Brahmana is the only Brahmans Ajanas. Okay. Which one of the following Samhitas of Shukla Yajurvedas? तो Vajeshwani Shukla Vedas है. There are two branches of Yajurveda Shuklas, Yajurveda and Shuklas, Yajurvedas and Krishna's Yajurvedas, and Vaishnavis is the Samhitas of Shuklas. Yajurvedas mostly Sikh. Shuklas Yajurveda is available only for the poetics from the verses where only Yajurvedas contains more poetical. So friends, लगभग वीडियो 28 मिनट की हो गई है और हमने क्वेश्चन 15 तक और कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट्स किए हैं. आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चन करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल्स and stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you.